Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add EBT card to Instacart. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your app. Now once you open up your app, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you are logged in order to add your EBT card, what you need to do is tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. And now once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the option that says settings. Now once you're inside settings, here you'll be seeing an option that says payment methods right here, and under it you'll be seeing the option to add it. Tap on that. Now here what you need to do is just simply select the option that says EBT snap card to add your EBT card to Instacart. Simply tap on the add option, and once you tap on the add option, what you need to do is fill in the details of the EBT card and then tap on save. And once you do that, you'll be successfully able to add your EBT card to Instacart. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.